Hello, this is Jim Smith at GANanalysis.net. Today we're looking at oil, specifically Brent Crude Futures and the 90-week cycle. So if we start from the October 2018 high, that's where we anchor. Then we count 90 weeks, you get a turn. Another 90 weeks, you get an important high. So 179 weeks, close enough. 180 weeks would be ideal. And then you go down 90 weeks into low. So I think this is really quite good. It's set up this rally you see happening now. Now, you may not believe this, but I told clients in December of last year that, hey, you should be expecting a huge rally in oil in 2024 based on the idea that we formed a higher low into this cycle in early December. So if you can see here, December, that first week of December, that's when the 90-week cycle came due, and it nailed the low, setting up this rally. Now, it's more apparent to people now because of all the chaos, geopolitical tension in the Mideast, and the strong U.S. economy driving demand. But back here, it was less obvious to a lot of people that oil would go higher in 2024. So this is the reason why we do GAN. We know that the cycles will tell us things that are not obvious if you just look at fundamentals. So I'm not saying you can't look at fundamentals, but I think you need to look at cycles, specifically GAN cycles, in order to understand what the market's going to do to surprise you. I don't think there were very many people last year saying that oil would go higher in 2024, and if they did say that, I'm sure they didn't know how high it was going to go. Now, I can't give you all of the information on oil here in this one chart. That's the reason why you want to subscribe. You get the complete report, which is over 20 charts, and you can see where oil is going, how high it's going to get, and when it's going to get there. That's why you subscribe. So if you're interested, go to the website, register, you get a couple of free reports, and then if you really like the market or you really like these reports that you see, hit the shop button and try it out for 3 months. I think you'll be impressed. I think you'll enjoy seeing what is likely to surprise the markets going forward. After the fact, you get a lot of fundamental analysts projecting higher levels for oil, but when it really matters back here in December, they had no clue. So the reason we do GAN is it warns you in advance what is coming, because the cycles do work. This is just one cycle. I have a lot of cycles to show you that amplify what I'm telling you here with this chart. I think you need to see all of those charts, and that's why I'm hoping you'll decide to pull the trigger, hit the shop button, try it out for 3 months. I think you'll find it well worth the money. Good luck in your trading. I hope this has been helpful. And whatever you do not short energy. Oil is going to go substantially higher.